ANPR tools have specific requirements in terms of plate size, camera angles, and font height. Before looking at these requirements, it needs to be understood that various governments have set specifications as to the sizes and shapes of vehicle number plates and the fonts used. Generally, a plate length is 520 mm and the height 111 mm with a font height of 75 mm, but this could differ in your region. Check your local laws, but most number plates will fall into these dimensions. The first requirement is that the smallest font on the plate must be 20 pixels high. The software should function when the font height is between 15 and 100 pixels, but the best accuracy is achieved at between 25 and 45 pixels high. The next important ANPR setup requirement is getting the camera mounting angles correct. The most obvious of these is that the license plate must be clearly visible to the camera. It is best to have a straight-on view of the number plate, but often that is not possible, and so the camera is mounted slightly to the side. The side angle should not exceed 15 degrees. Just as the top-down angle should not exceed 30 degrees. The little number plate insert shows how changing the angle affects what the camera sees. As the angle closes in on the acceptable limits, the number plates become harder to decipher with G's and C's, 8s and B's, and O's and 0s becoming harder to distinguish. Remember to leave enough distance so that sufficient frames can be received by the software to successfully decipher the number plate. If a vehicle travels too quickly through the capture zone and insufficient frames are received, then the number plate will not be recognized. All these requirements need to be taken into account and met to successfully install and configure a working ANPR site.